Hi, this is a really cool lightweight chainsaw that is designed for pruning and maybe cutting small trees. It's got a really nice safety cover here on the top that would protect you from a kickback. And like I said, it's pretty safe and it cuts really well. And it weighs probably just a couple of pounds. Very lightweight, very easy to handle. It comes with two rechargeable batteries. It has a pair of safety glasses, some gloves, some little tools here for tightening the chain up, that sort of thing. And it's got everything in there that you need to take care of it. Lightweight, easy to handle, and safe. And so I'm gonna give you a little demo here. We're gonna take it out and we're gonna put a battery in it and we're gonna show you what it can do. We got this saw to do a review. It was given to us. We did not buy it, and so we'll show you what it will do. Turn it on here. Push this safety button. There's a safety button on it. And it's ready to go. These are the little limbs. And then here's some bigger limbs. And it'll go right through them.